Rajshahi University is the second largest and the second oldest university in Bangladesh. The university is located in Rajshahi city on a 753-acre campus. Rajshahi University was established in 1953 and started its academic activities in the 1954 to 1955 session with only 8 departments. Recently, the university's 60 specialized departments have been organized into 12 faculties: the Faculty of Agriculture, the Faculty of Arts, Faculty of Business Studies, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Fine Arts, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Life and Earth Science, Faculty of Science, and Faculty of Social Science. There are 30,191 trees in the whole area of the campus. The Shahid Minar of Rajshahi University demands special remembrance as an important historical monument. In addition to multiple playgrounds and gymnasiums, Rajshahi University has a whole gallery multi-purpose stadium. Various sports and cultural programs of Rajshahi University are held there. The Department of Geography and Environmental Studies is the oldest among the various subjects of the university. Geographic Information System, GIS, and Remote Sensing Science are the main domains of the Department of Geography and Environmental Studies. Teachers and students of this department are actively engaged in research activities in various fields of geoscience.
Go.